Hey, what's going on? Aziz here. Do you want to boost your email marketing open rate like this or like this using some proven strategies? If yes, so watch this very short video. Okay, quickly here. Um, Whenever you are sending emails, so you want to make sure that you are using a professional email, right? So you know what I mean is uh, whenever you are using like a Gmail account or Yahoo, anything that is not professional email, so the probability for this email to go to promotion folder or in spam is very high. So basically it will decrease your open rate. So instead of Gmail, you choose your professional email, right? And by the way, the from email and reply email has to be the same, right? So it has to be the same. So if it's different, if there is any mismatch, so it will go to spam definitely, right? Okay, not 100%, but there is higher chance that your email will go to spam. So you want your from email and reply email to be the same. Okay, let's continue here. So it's also good practice to activate your double opt-in, right? Feature of your autoresponder. So what means double opt-in? Double opt-in means whenever you send an email, right? So on the other side, the person receiving the email needs to confirm that he wants to be in your list, right? So by confirming, so he's giving you permission. So that's what means double opt-in, right? So he's giving you permission to send him email, So and definitely it will increase your open rates, right? So on the other side, by activating the double opt-in, right? So definitely you will decrease the rate at which your list is increasing, right? So so you will your list will go very slowly, right, compared to somebody who didn't activate the double opt-in feature. And one of the advantage also to activate the double opt-in feature is that you eliminate any faulty leads, any bot email, stuff like that, right? So there is also good side about that. Okay, and next point, whenever you are sending email, right, your very first email, day 0, the very first email that your subscriber will receive, it's good practice not to send a link right away. Rather, ask them to reply back to request the free gift. So again, there'll be a communication, a two-way communication between you guys, which is very good, from Gmail point side of view, and considering that you are using Gmail, and autoresponder side of view. So autoresponder, there is it's very good for your autoresponder, So and also an advanced method, to increase your open rate is to segment your list, right? So segmentation means you divide your list, right? So most of people are dividing the list, you know, they have like opener list, so people who are opening your emails, right? So they have clickers, people who are clicking your emails, and engaged, so people who are not engaging with your emails, right? So you need to divide your list like this, right? So whenever people are opening your email, they are automatically, you put them in the opener list, right? So your goal is to increase the opener list, right? So that's your goal here. So you need to increase, let's see, so you need to increase the opener, okay? Yeah, so by increasing the list of opener, you will definitely increase people who are opening, so your opt-in rates will improve definitely, right? So that's very good. And also you need to consider cleaning your list. So cleaning means, you know, people who are not engaging, you have two options. So either you delete them, you delete you know, you what I mean by deleting is, you know, you remove them from your list, right? You know, or you send them an email, you know, to know, a friendly email to know if they still want your content, right? So if they don't want, it's okay, so you just unsubscribe them, right? So by the way, don't feel bad if somebody is unsubscribing to your list. Just, you know, all that means is this person is not part of you know, your customer avatar, you know, your dream customer, you know. So yeah, so don't take it bad. So it's better that somebody unsubscribe than click on spam. So spam is very bad. So unsubscribe is very fine, you know. So as I have highlighted earlier, your goal is to grow your email list daily and increase the list of people who are opening your email, right? And last point, be sure to reply to our messages. Is very good, you know, from the autoresponder site of view, you know. Yeah, and the recipient email provider also, so you know, to see this communication back and forth, right? So more advanced method, you know, we can talk about subject lines. You know, each time that your subject line is spammy, this is very dangerous. So either you can get your account banned, I know, yeah, either you can get your account banned, or your email will go to promotion. So the subject line is very important, you know. Depending on how you phrase your subject line, it can go to the primary folder, it can go to the promotion folder, or it can go to spam, right? 3 points. Okay guys, so I hope you have value with this video, and please don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments, so I will do my best to answer. So on that excellent note, I will say see you in the next video.